Hey, hey, hey. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Let's start with some cards. Color outside the lines. Flexible thinking. Firstly, come up with new ideas. Secondly, break the rules. Thirdly, take risks and mistakes. Finally, practice, practice, practice. Attached to my ex. I'm attached to my ex emotionally, physically, and/or spiritually. I need time and space to break this connection. Resolution. Face conflicts with courage. Find the key to unlock understanding. Language. Learn the language of each other's love. Communicate the depths of the soul. Birthing a new age. Birthing new creations. Dreaming a new world into being. What would your world look like if you could create it from scratch? Dark blue galactic dragon helps you listen to the voice of the universe. Ignite the codes of your master blueprint. Access cosmic wisdom and enter higher service. Orange gold dragon from Arcturus opens you up to knowledge for the new golden age. Carry the energy of the future. Be a guiding light. You dwell in your mind day and night. Shape it with purity, love, and gratitude. I listen with love to my body's messages. My body is always working toward optimum health. My body wants to be whole and healthy. I cooperate and become healthy, whole, and complete. And our last card today before we go to our little quotes. Bat, see through illusions into truth. Archangel Doronika. Alrighty. Check out the blue box today. You don't have to edit yourself for me. Bring the mess, the magic, the real. I'd rather know the truth of you than the version you think I want. And I agree. Dr. Ian Hosen's perspective. If you believe you have a genetic disease, you will never heal. If you believe your body is broken, you will never fix it. If you believe your body's attacking you, it will never stop. If you treat symptoms without asking why, you will chase them forever. If you wait till life calms down, healing will never begin. If you think food can't fix it, you've blocked the body from what it wants. If you believe the doctor more than your own body, you will never hear what it's saying. Let what needs to end. Let what wants to grow. And stay open to new ways of being in the world. When you hold your truth, you shift the field around you. You don't need to prove yourself. You don't need to defend your growth. Your energy speaks louder than words, and the right people will feel it. Be the one who chooses different. If you were judged, lead with grace. If you were rejected, offer belonging. If you were shamed, respond with kindness. Don't become the reflection of what wounded you. Be who you needed when you were hurting. Let the pain stop with you. Choose healing over bitterness, growth over resentment, and let your heart lead, not hurt. And the last one today. When you feel any kind of curiosity, love, attractiveness, excitement in any way, in any degree, that is an actual physical translation of the language of your higher mind, self, speaking to you. Follow it, act on it, and don't hesitate. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.